What if I told you that a staggering $288 million worth of XRP just disappeared from exchanges? That's a huge amount of money, and it's sparking rumors across the crypto world. Could this be the precursor to an explosive price surge, or is it just a temporary market dip? Today, we're diving deep into this massive outflow, decoding what it could mean for the future of XRP, and discussing whether this could signal the beginning of a major bull run. Stick with us until the end because you won't want to miss our take on how this massive shift could lead to the next big opportunity in crypto. Welcome back to Zachy Crypto Update, the channel that keeps you updated on all things crypto. Whether you're here for in-depth analysis, technical breakdowns, or just to hear the latest buzz in the crypto space, you're in the right place. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a single piece of crucial crypto information. We're bringing you fresh, insightful content on a daily basis, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. In today's video, we're breaking down an eye-popping $288 million XRP outflow and asking whether this is a sign that a price surge is coming. Why did so many tokens leave exchanges? Is this a sign of a coming price rally or just another blip in the market? We'll explore what the charts are saying, how whales are moving their tokens, and why this might be the moment to get excited about XRP. Plus, we'll dive into on-chain metrics and give you a sneak peek into XRP's current momentum. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of whether XRP is about to take off or if we're just witnessing another market correction. All right, let's talk about the $288 million outflow that's been making waves. According to CoinGlass data, exchanges have experienced a significant outflow of XRP since the beginning of December. Now, what does that mean for the average investor? Simply put, a huge amount of XRP is leaving exchanges and heading into private wallets. This outflow usually signals a couple of things. It shows that investors are moving assets out of the market to hold for the long term, and it can also mean that traders are preparing for something big. In crypto, there's a saying that when coins leave exchanges, it's a bullish signal. Why? Because it reduces selling pressure in the short term and indicates that people are holding for a potential future price surge. In this case, we're seeing exactly that. Whales and investors are locking up their XRP, which could mean they're expecting the token's price to rise soon. So could we be on the brink of an XRP rally? Now, here's where things get a little more interesting. Despite the huge outflow, the general sentiment around XRP is still somewhat bearish. How do we know that? Well, according to the long/short ratio for XRP, there's been a pretty balanced market right now with 50.8% of top traders holding short positions and 49.2% holding long positions. This means traders are waiting on the sidelines, uncertain about whether to bet on a price drop or rally. This lack of decisive movement is reflected in XRP's technical indicators. XRP has recently broken out of an inclined trend line on the hourly time frame, which is technically a bullish signal. But here's the kicker. XRP is facing stiff resistance at the $2.47 mark. The resistance level at $2.47 has been tough to crack, and as long as XRP struggles to close above this level, the bearish sentiment could persist. But here's the twist. If XRP does manage to break through this resistance, it could trigger a massive price spike. And we're talking about an 18% surge that could send XRP up to $2.90. That's a substantial increase in a short amount of time, and it's something every XRP holder should keep an eye on. Let's dive into the technicals now, because if you're looking for a good entry point, these charts might just be giving you some hints. XRP is currently trading above the 200 exponential moving average on both lower and higher time frames. For those of you who aren't familiar with EMAs, this is a bullish signal that suggests the asset is in an uptrend. The 200 EMA is often referred to as the long-term trend indicator, and being above it signals that the general market sentiment is still positive. XRP's relative strength index is currently sitting at 40, which is close to the oversold zone. And in crypto trading, when an asset's relative strength index approaches or enters the oversold zone, typically below 30, it often signals that the asset has been oversold and could be due for a bounce. In XRP's case, with its relative strength index nearing the 40 mark, this is a sign that there's plenty of room for a rally. XRP is trading at $2.40 right now, having dropped about 7.2% in the last 24 hours. This price correction could be seen as a healthy pullback after a massive rally, and it might be the perfect time for long-term investors to step in. But remember, this also means that XRP is getting closer to a potential bounce, especially given the technical setup. Whales are a big part of this story. As I mentioned earlier, the $288 million outflow is a key indicator. When whales move large sums of XRP out of exchanges, it's usually a sign that they're preparing for something bigger. Think about it. Why would these whales pull out such massive amounts if they weren't expecting XRP to appreciate in value? These big players have access to more information than most of us and often move on predictive insights. But whales aren't just moving tokens. They're also positioning themselves for the next phase of XRP's growth. With the way the market is structured, institutional investors are becoming more interested in Ripple's technology, particularly in its use case for cross-border payments and decentralized finance, DeFi. As XRP gains more adoption in the financial sector, whales could be positioning themselves to capitalize on Ripple's growing influence. So now that we've established that XRP's technical indicators, whale activity, and on-chain data all point to potential upward movement, what should you expect next? We're at a crucial inflection point for XRP. With major resistance at the $2.47 level and XRP currently battling a minor price correction, the next few days could determine whether XRP continues its bullish trajectory or takes a break and consolidates further. But remember, crypto is always volatile. That's why we're here to give you the full picture so you can make your own informed decisions. Keep an eye on that $2.50 resistance level. If XRP can break and close above it, we could see an 18% price jump, possibly pushing XRP to the $2.90 mark in the short term. Now, here's where I get to give you my personal opinion. XRP has always been a controversial token. From regulatory issues with the SEC to its role in the larger crypto ecosystem, it's had its share of ups and downs. But here's the thing, XRP isn't just any altcoin. It has real-world utility. While the market sentiment might be bearish right now, the long-term picture looks promising. XRP's recent surge in price is a sign that market participants are starting to recognize its potential. This token is far from dead, and for those willing to weather the short-term volatility, it could prove to be a highly rewarding asset. Now, I've given you my analysis, and I'm curious, what do you think? Will XRP break through the resistance and shoot to new highs, or are we about to see a bigger market correction? Hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. We want to hear from you. Let's get the discussion going. And don't forget to click the bell so you're always in the loop with the latest crypto updates. Well, that's a wrap for today's deep dive into XRP's massive outflow and the price momentum we're watching. It's clear that while the market may be uncertain, the potential for a significant price increase is real. Thanks for sticking with us through this analysis. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos here on Zaki Crypto Update. We cover everything from market predictions to deep dives into other altcoins like Cardano and VeChain. So there's always something for everyone. Be sure to watch more content and keep your crypto game strong.